Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the we couldn't verify this account belongs to you issue on Cash App. So as you can see, the problem is very common. And if you see this message when trying to log in on another device, it means Cash App couldn't verify your identity due to security reasons. Right? So let me quickly open up and talk that will help you. So here. This one. So make sure to verify your account. All right. So start by checking your account information. Ensure that your full name, date of birth, and address match the details in your ID or credit report. And this will help the system verify your account. Now, to do this, go to your profile under the identity verification. Let me quickly show that here. So and make sure to verify your identity from here. Right. So go to your profile and then select this one, security and privacy, and you scroll down and you see identity verification. And confirm that your details are updated. If you haven't verified yet, click verify and follow the steps. Sometimes switching devices or operating systems can trigger this error. And so when that happens, make sure to start a chat with them and tell them the issue you're facing, and they will quickly respond to you. Also, another thing you can do is force quitting the app or clear the cache here. You'll find it on your app settings on your Android device or iOS. Like clear the cache and sign in again using your information, and this should hopefully resolve your issue. And if not, you can always contact their support and let them know what the problem you are facing. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helps you regain access to your cache. I'll see you in the next video.